Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the second lead code June problem, that is delete node in a linked list. Basically, if we check the problem, it talks about if we are just given the node that we want to delete, how do we delete it from the linked list? Deletion of a node from a linked list is a very common problem, but usually we are given the first node and we iterate through the entire list and delete the node from the desired position. But in this case, since we are not given the head of the linked list or the starting point, we are just given the particular node that we want to delete. We'll have to approach it in a slightly different way. When we are given the first node, we usually go from the first node till the point we find the node, and we just delete that particular node, and then that is the whole problem. But in this case, since we are not given the first node, we will have to think about another way. The approach for deleting a node when we are only given the node is slightly different, but it's going to be almost similar to what we do when we delete at a given position. So let's just start. uh, First of all, we'll maintain a pointer that is 10, which is going to point to the same node which we are given. So this, and also similar to what we do in the delete at a given position, we will maintain a pointer that is a previous pointer. So, and it is going to point to null. The whole idea about solving this problem is, rather than deleting the particular node, what we are going to do is we are going to shift the values. So what does it mean by shifting values? It means that we are going to replace the value 5 by value 1, and so on. When we are at 1, we are going to replace the value of 1 with value 9. So if you see closely, what we are going to have after doing this is we'll have 4, then 1, and then here it's going to be 9. So we will be left with the last node. So then we can easily delete that node and our question would be solved. So rather than deleting that particular node, we are going to replace the value of that node with the value of the next node. So this is the whole idea, or this is the way we are going to solve this problem. So for that, we have maintained a pointer temp, which is pointing to the given node, and a previous pointer. So we are just making sure that when we iterate through the list, we do not move, like we are not out of the list, and even the next node is not null. So why we do that is, let's say we are here. So in that case, if we are trying to get the value of the next, it would be null and it's going to throw an exception. So we have to put a check for the next also, that next is also not null. Now what we are going to do is we are going to set previous equals to 10. We will maintain a variable t, or you can name it anything, and which is going to have the value of the next node. And now we are simply going to replace the value of our temp with t, and we are going to move further in the list. After we are done, this while loop will end when we are, for this example, when we are at 9. So when we have reached 9, our next is going to be null. So in that case, the loop would break and we would have a pointer temp pointing at 9, and our previous pointer would be pointing at 1. So what we are going to do is we'll make sure that our previous points to null, and we are going to delete our temp. Let's see if it works. So it's working fine for this particular test case. Let's now try to submit it. Accepted. Thanks for watching the video, and please guys subscribe to my channel Mafia Developers. Thank you.